Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shredded.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you an updated version of a previous video that I did for a DIY leg press. Now, the difference between this video is that in the previous one, I didn't show you how to add resistance bands to the whole setup in order to create horizontal resistance. Since your legs are going to be pushing out in this direction, you need that sort of resistance for you to get the best results. So I'm going to set this whole thing up so you can see how easy it is. I have two sets of rings hanging from the rack here. And what you're going to do is, in between the rings, you're going to insert a bar. And just make sure the rings are hitting the end of the barbell, right at the end of the knurling there. And what you're going to do now is add your weight. Okay, so I'm going to put some 45s. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the resistance bands to create that horizontal resistance. Now the resistance bands that I use, these are heavy duty resistance bands and they come with carabiners at both ends, so it makes it easier to clip anywhere. And what I do is I just hook it around the bar and then wrap it around the rack and it clips onto itself. Now these come in various resistances. The ones that I'm putting on here are 20 pounds of resistance. The set comes with 3 bands. They come in 20, 30, and 40 pounds of resistance. So, and you can also stack them together, so they're pretty good. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to put the band on this other side here. And what you want to do before you apply this last one is you want to make sure you get inside the rack here so that you don't have to be climbing over this whole setup here. So I'm going to do the same thing, wrap it around the bar, wrap it around the rack, clip it onto itself, and then I'm ready to start the leg press. So you're going to push this up a little bit here, and then you're ready to roll. So all you have to do now is push, and this thing with the bands now, it's pushing you back this way. So you have some horizontal resistance. And then it's up to you whether you want to add more plates to this or you want to stack more bands onto it. You can do either way, but it feels pretty good. Just make sure you take control of the whole movement so that your feet don't slip on this. What I would suggest is that you plant your feet on the knurling of the bar. That way you have a little bit more grip on there. And once you're done here, you just got to make sure that you release one foot, make sure both hands are on the bar, and you're ready to go. So that's it, guys. That's how you do a DIY version of the leg press. If you like the information in this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And as always, any piece of equipment that I used here, I'll put it down in the links below in the description and in the comments section so that you guys can check them out. See if you like them. Take care. Have a good one.